Good afternoon. It is October the 24th, 2017. Time to recap today's trading and take a look at tomorrow. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have been overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came into today's market in the E-mini, selling 69s to 71s, buying 61s to 63s, and had an opportunity to get here to get short at 67 or better, and that trade developed reasonably quickly for that, and it was the trade of the day. Retest failure, another retest failure, maybe +2, maybe +4 if you were smart enough to get out. That's slowly all the way up here. That little trade would have been a 0. This trade would have been a 0. Finally up here, a trade that works quickly, helped lower by the news that 3 Republican senators are not going to pass or support the bill. And of course, Corker has been out in front, very, very outspoken about not doing anything to support Trump, and it looks like he's going to be good to his word. So we'll take a look at the E-mini, which was trading higher. Everything was looking good. Everything is still pointed higher on this longer term. It all gets down to whether Trump can get his tax bill passed or not at this point. So we have an inside day. That means traded. So we'll be trying to sell failure at 75 and trying to buy in the 60-62 area based on the F1 screen. Looking at the F2, definitely a P. This is the news split right there when that news article hit it. So 69, 71, sell 1, 74, 76, sell 2. On the buy side, 61, 63, buy 1. 55, 57, buy 2. Just where we were this morning. We have news tomorrow. Durable orders +1%. Ex-transportation +0.5%. Strong numbers if they come in forecast. Capital goods +0.5%. FHFA, housing price index +0.4. New home sales 555, and then crude inventories. We have the APIs tonight. News focus, durable orders, ex-transportation, and perhaps new home sales. Looking at the 10-year, the note, outside day traded, 5-year auction is tomorrow. Usually the intermediate term is the weak one. So F1 says we can trade it tomorrow. Here's the news spike right there. Definitely a B before that, definitely B's behind it. So right now, 23.27, sell 1. Hopefully we get a little higher in London. 31.03, sell 2. 13.17, buy 1. 5 to 9, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, pretty slow trading and going today, but it did produce for us. pretty quiet day, all things considered. We had a 28 to the buck sell, and we had a 16 to 20, which worked out pretty well until M period came along. So have very little range to work with today. So 20 to 24, number one. Selling 27s to 31, sell one. 3 to 7, sell two. On the buy side, I'm going to make it 12 to 16, number one. Buy 5 to 9. Buy 29 to 01. Gold caught that market pretty well today. F1 pretty quiet. You can see we don't have a lot of range right here. F1 screen favors lower prices tomorrow, tonight. And no tax deal, rally gold. So, I mean, we're right where we have been. We were 79.81s this morning and just caught it in Z period, the 79. So we'll make it 80.82, sell one. 84.86, sell two. On the buy side, we were 73.75, and we came in just right at 76. So we'll make 74.76 by one. And 70.72 by 2. Crude oil, we have the APIs tonight. The pattern has been a draw on crude and a build in products. We also had its switchover time. Where they're going from changing the mix to more gasoline, less distillate, to more distillate, less gasoline. And they'd like to see a draw on products and a draw on crude. Outside day today, that says trading range. We still have our resistance at 52.50. We really caught the edges of crude today very, very well. We do know where support and resistance actually are, or will be, and it's before the fact. Didn't quite get down to our buy at 51.75. At a 52 and a quarter, 52.50 sell. That served us very, very well through E period. So here we sit, 52.50, 52.75, sell one. 53 and a quarter, sell two. We have news tonight. We'll have news tomorrow. 52 even, 52 and a quarter by one. 51.50, 51.75 by two. And last but not least, the euro. It is a great contract, especially if you can trade London time, higher low, higher high. It is the news focus this week. What the ECB is going to do comes Thursday morning. They're expected to officially announce, going from 60B per month market support to 30. And some guidance on interest rates. We see very little written about interest rates. That'll probably pick up tomorrow. 18.25, sell one. Took forever to get there, didn't it? We had our first sell at the buck to 10. Took that news spike to get up there. 40 to 50, sell two. On the buy side, 1790s, 118 even by 1, 1775 by 2. Okay, that's it for this October 24th, 2017. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.